everyone, let's unbox XBA-300 hang-on back filter. Let's see what is inside the box. I am laying out everything on table. Now let's see what is inside the main body. So it has a carbon filter cartridge and a sponge. Ooh, here is something. It's the skimmer part. I was wondering where is it. These filter parts are detachable. I will show you how to detach them and what is inside it. Looks like it has a sponge. This will help in bacteria culture. In my opinion, it will not help in catching any waste particles, so it must be there for bacteria culture. Let us now assemble all the parts. First we will add some bio balls in the main body. These do not come with filter and has to be purchased separately.
Space is limited, so not many can be added. Adding a few of them now and will combine with ceramic balls. You can choose to add either bio balls or ceramic balls as per your choice. I am adding a combination of both. Time to test the filter. This is a newly set up planted tank. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you knowing about hang on back filter. Please subscribe to my channel for more content.